Hi guys, welcome to my lab. In this video I will show you how to change the battery of a Bluetooth speaker. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. I have already shown the parts of a Bluetooth speaker. You can find the link in description. You can see this is the battery of Nokia BL4S and this is reused. Let's measure the voltage of the battery. And you can see the voltage is fluctuating. That means the battery is damaged and we will replace it with this battery. The rating of the Nokia battery is 3.7 volt 860 mAh and our new battery is 3.7 volt 900 mAh, and you can see the voltage is 3.8 volt, that means okay. Now the connection of the battery is removed. Apply some flux and solder on the positive and negative terminal of the battery. Strip the wire and now solder the red wire with positive and black wire with the negative terminal of the battery. Now we have to fix the battery in the box. So apply some glue and stick the battery. Now place the circuit again and screw up the cover. Now we have to test the speaker.
Welcome to iNext. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
And now you can see our speaker is working properly. And also the speaker is charging. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.